It's a pleasure to be asked to speak at the launch of the Mature Kiddos Foundation. I'm very sorry I couldn't be there to celebrate with you in person. I want to extend hearty congratulations to Vashma and Robin and their 3 daughters on the culmination of their commitment and hard work. I remember very well a few years ago when Vashma spoke to me about her dream of starting the foundation, and here we are now. The dream has been brought into fruition. Now, the foundation has as its goal a focus on orthopedic issues as well as mental health issues with physical effects and raising awareness for conditions like FND. They also want to generate more opportunities for networking and financing and to bring medical professionals and families together. Now, having had first-hand experience, the Mature family knows very well the challenges that families face in accessing the right kind of support for their children. Now, 50% of all mental illnesses start by age 14 and 75% start by age 24. So this means that we need to focus on the mental health of our children so that we can provide support and maintain their mental health and well-being so that problems don't develop or persist into adulthood. Some illnesses are easier to recognize and diagnose, but others, like FND, Functional Neurological Disorder, are not. FND impacts individuals of all ages, including many young people, who often face unique challenges due to the misunderstanding and stigma surrounding the condition. So increased awareness and understanding of FND among healthcare professionals and the public is crucial. So I thought I would share some tips for professionals and for families. And for the tips for professionals, they're about learning, communicating, and communicating some more. So the first tip is learn more about the condition and the symptoms, diagnosis, and treatment. Keep up to date on the latest developments and knowledge. For example, FND was previously called conversion disorder, but the new term is used because it captures a broader range of factors involved. FND can induce non-epileptic seizures, and these look like epileptic seizures, but they are not. And patients are commonly misdiagnosed and treated for epilepsy, and this can cause long delays in persons getting the proper diagnosis and treatment. So professional education and professional awareness is important. The second tip is to communicate with other professionals. Communicate so that there's shared understanding about what the goals are for treatment. Treatment often involves a multidisciplinary approach, so be prepared and willing to collaborate with other professionals involved in your client's care. And the third C is to communicate effectively with your patients and their families. Empower them with knowledge that they can understand. Help them to feel more confident about knowing about the condition and what they can do to manage it in their daily lives. Here are 3 tips for parents. Validate, encourage, and educate and advocate. First, validate your child's experience. It's very important that you listen to them and let them know that you understand how difficult it is for them and that they're doing their best. Foster hope about their potential for recovery. Also, you want to encourage a routine and encourage them to use the skills that they are learning in therapy and treatment. Structure and predictability are really important to help them manage their own lives on a daily basis. And third, you want to educate and advocate. Educate yourself, arm yourself with knowledge and awareness, and be your child's biggest advocate. Learn more about your child's condition so that you can provide the best support to them at home and so that you can communicate and liaise more effectively with their school or with the health professionals like their physicians, therapists, and psychologists. Now, entities like the Mature Kiddos Foundation make a significant contribution in our local landscape by promoting more awareness and collaboration, and for this I congratulate them. The mental health and well-being of a society is critical for its development and success, and this starts with every community and in every family. So Mature Kiddos Foundation, your efforts are commendable and greatly appreciated. I look forward to working with you more in the future, and best wishes to your great success.